Yo, yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. I'm back on the video. Yes, sir, today. If you already didn't, go check out my last video. We copped the Dunk Highs, the white navy blue joints, and the Georgetown joints. Go ahead, check that out. Go ahead, check that out. But today, like I said, in towards that video, I'm talking about how to cop these retro 12 royalty joints. You know what I'm saying? I won't call them taxis because, like I said, got a little bit of gold in these retro 12s. I'm gonna talk about how to cop, first impression of the shoe, all that good stuff, man. So without further ado, let's go and get into the video. So in case y'all don't know what the shoe look like, pretty sure that y'all do, because a lot of people like this shoe. In my personal opinion, it's a super dope shoe. I'm gonna pass on it, but I will get the shoe so y'all get an in-hand review. Hopefully I win my size, I get it on feet so y'all can see a perspective, you know what I'm saying, on how I look on feet and all that good stuff. But here we go, a couple pictures of the shoe, you know what I'm saying. The retail price is $190, coming out this Saturday. What's this Saturday, the date? What's that be, the 13th? Or the 14th, I can't remember, but it will be this Saturday. I don't know, it will be the 13th or 14th. It'll come out this Saturday. Retail for $190. Coming full size run, grade school 140, preschool 80, and then the toddler size is 65 or 60, I believe. So, but hey, like I said, this shoe not a bad looking shoe at all. I know a lot of people were like, want to get this shoe. People been hitting me up like, is it a cop or is it a pass, or should I get it, should I not? Like I said, my pants, it's a dope shoe to have in case you don't have the taxes or anything like that. A lot of people was like, I had the taxes back in the day, whoopie woo. That's cool, but I think this shoe should come out, in my personal opinion. But no, a lot of people like, I'm cool, and I don't really, you know what I'm saying, I really ain't liking this shoe. But for real, this shoe is nice to have, for real. Like, not to be honest, like, not even lying to y'all, or just saying I'm promoting it or as a sponsor or anything like that. I'm being completely honest. I think this shoe should be a cop for you. You know what I'm saying? In case you're watching it, you know what I'm saying, you should definitely cop this shoe. I'm just passing it because I'm not in that Jordan phase, for real. But like I said, I don't mind, you know what I'm saying, of course, getting an in-hand review for y'all so y'all can see the shoe. But I'm not in that lane no more. Like, I'm cool on the retro. Certain ones, like, I'm cool. Like, I ain't really rocking with them. It's got to be an OG for me to be like, all right, bet. Like them 11 cool grade 11s, I like those. I'm getting them for sure. I always wanted them. Pad leather ones, I like those. Black and red joints. And the retro 4s, I'm iffy on those. The black red thunders, I like those. But I got the black cat 4s, man. Like, that's my mindset changing a little bit on shoes for sure, man. So and they expect a lot of different shoes coming to the channel. A lot of different shoes to the channel. So be ready for that. I want to bring different stuff to my collection. Y'all can see I'm just getting some old stuff out of here and switching it up, man. Switching it up. So, but also another thing I wanted to talk about with you guys is how to cop this shoe. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into how to cop this shoe. First things first, of course, the shoe will be on Footlocker Champs, Kids Footlocker. Finish Line doesn't have a raffle up or JD, but give them a call. Like I said before, give them a call. See they doing an in-store raffle. Most of the time they do an in-store raffle, and go ahead and do that. But normally, you know what I'm saying, Footlocker, Kids Footlocker, Foot Action, and Champs are doing not online raffle, but you can kind of say online raffle, but it's on the app. So I'm going to link down below. It's going to send you straight to the app on all 4 of those. I don't think Foot Action, well, where I'm from, ain't no more Foot Action. So, but I still try to put it down in below for the Foot Action people that in their city, they still have Foot Action. In my city, we ain't got Foot Action no more. They kicked it out. Bye-bye, birdie. Peace. So I'm put a link down below on that. But how to cop the shoe, as always, you know what I'm saying? Go slow, scroll down. You're going to scroll. You're going to find a retro 12. It's going to have the first one. Sometimes men's pop up first, but have toddler, preschool, grade school, and men's. All the 4 of those pop up. So if you want to put all of them sizes, hey, cool with me. You know what I'm saying? Full size run for your family. You know what I'm saying? Be a nice little family pick for Thanksgiving. You know what I'm saying? Right before the end. Dope pick. Hey, I just gave another idea. I've been giving y'all so many ideas, bro. Like, comment down below, man. Let me know, man. If y'all liking this shoe, you're going to pass. Just let your boy know. But, like I said, you're going to scroll down. You're going to see toddler, preschool, grade school, and men's sizes. So you're going to select the size first, whatever size you want to select, and select up to 3 stores. So whatever 3 stores that you think you can hit off of, or you have the most success off of, select them 3 stores. Don't go off a store that you ain't never heard of in your life. You like, what store is this? Should I do it? Don't do it. If you have the most success at that store, keep it going. The same size, keep it going. Don't try to switch it up. That's another thing too people don't know. People are like, dang, I'm gonna try here just see how if I win here or not. No, if you've been winning at that same store, why would you switch it up? So keep going with the same store. Boom. So like I said, it's like 3 stores. And then boom, you're gonna select the 3 stores. Then you gotta add your head starts. See, the thing is, if you don't have no XP points or anything like that, it's gonna be kind of hard for you to win these shoes, man. It's gonna be super hard for you to win these shoes, man. So make sure you got your points on your accounts. If you ain't got no points on the accounts, Go to a Footlocker, Champs, or, you know what I'm saying, Kids Footlocker, you know what I'm saying, and head over there, buy some shoe cleaners, some t-shirts, buy all that good stuff, man. Because y'all be really asking, like, how do I win raffles? I'm trying to give y'all the scoop every time. If you don't have no head starts, you're not going to win the shoe. I have head starts, so I'm right here. You don't have no head starts, you down here. Simple as that. I don't have to explain too much to it, because like I said, them head starts will help you out more than anything. Because if you ain't got no head starts, you just put in a raffle, you ain't got no head starts, you right here. Somebody else, or like me, got head starts. Phew. Right up here. So your chances down here and my chances up here. Simple as that, bro. But sometimes you get lucky though. You don't add them head starts, you get super lucky. So can't complain on that as well. But that's my best advice, because it's straightforward. Like, if you ain't got them head starts, you out of luck. Simple as that. You are out of luck. So you gotta add them head starts to your account, you know what I'm saying, to the shoes that you want. And plus, I know a lot of people want for instance, a lot of people want these patent leather ones, Red Thunder 4s. And I got the Bumble Gum, the ones coming out. I forgot about those. I'm coming out as well. So a lot of shoes coming out towards November, December. It's gonna be a lot of heat. Of course, y'all want the shoe, right? Y'all want it. So listen, what I'm trying to tell you. Go to the store, start shopping. It's plus time, Black Friday coming up, you know what I'm saying, holidays, so it'll be a good time for you to build your points up. Build them points up, you add them head starts. Easy peasy, you feel me? Trust me, I'm trying to tell y'all. That's my best advice to you. Like I said, retail on these is $190, gray shoes $140, preschool is $80, and then the taller size is $60. So boom, there you go. Also, size run on retro 12s. Normally, when I had the flu games, that's one shoe I wish I got rid of. I had that in high school, but it was super big on my feet. It was I think a 13. And I went on 13. I don't know why I got 13, but my personal opinion, go to the size in retro 12s. So if I ever to get this, well, I put my size. I did a size 11. You know, I'm not keeping this shoe. I did a size 11. I tried a size 11 on before in retro 12s. It fit me perfectly fine. Fit me good. You know what I'm saying? So my personal bet to you, my best advice to you is to just go a half size up. My best advice to you, go true to size. But like I said, if you got a wide foot, I always go a half size up in any shoe, in my personal opinion. We'll try to get like they true size and stuff. But normally when you get your true size and stuff, you got a wide foot, your feet be hurting. So if you got a wide foot or anything like that, I always go a half size up in any shoe. Don't try to get your true size, because boy, it don't work out best for you. Trust me. I got narrow foot, so my foot all skinny, narrow. I could fit anything majority of the time. True to size 11, 11 and a half. Only thing I get in a 12 in is like some retro 11s, because retro 11s run super small, like crazy small. So we're gonna see, man. But just give y'all a little couple tips on how to cop this retro 12 royalty. That's what I'm calling royalty. I won't call them the reverse taxi. None of that. I was calling royalty. Got a little bit of gold in it, but knockoff taxi, you can say. But you got any questions, concerns on how to cop this shoe, comment down below, let me know, or shoot me a DM on Instagram. I'm gonna be posting, you know what I'm saying, later on the day, so make sure you follow me on all my platforms down below, my TikTok, all that good stuff down below, man. I would greatly appreciate it, man. That's it for this video, man. Like and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all. Subscribe to the channel, of course, man. Make sure your post notification bell is on. I would greatly appreciate it, man. Y'all have a blessed one. Gerald one is out. Peace.